show is brought to you by the Black Business School, the #1 black wealth institution on earth. To learn how to invest in the stock market for free, please visit firstshareofstock.com. That's firstshareofstock.com, and that link is at the top line of the description box. You got my personal recommendation on that, firstshareofstock.com. Boy Hove, your boy Jay-Z is going to trial. That's right. Jay-Z will be going to trial. Now, you're probably wondering, like, what the heck is he going to trial for? Is he going for something criminal? Not quite. Right now, attempts to have a lawsuit regarding photographs from his 1996 debut album, Reasonable Doubt, tossed out was failed. Now, Jay-Z will have to go to trial. Now, in court documents obtained by allhiphop.com, Jay-Z and the famed photographer Jonathan Mannion, hope I said that right, no disrespect, couldn't come to a settlement agreement regarding the photograph Mannion took for his album. Now, Hove is suing for him for using the pictures without permission, as Mannion has several photos of Hove on his website with a sale price attached. Now, Plaintiff Shawn Carter and Defendant John Mannion and John Mannion Photography LLC participated in the mediation before the Honorable Judge Terry Friedman on back on the 5th of the month. Now, the court filing reads, the parties were unable to reach an agreement to resolve this case, right? Now, in Jay-Z's eyes, Mannion never had permission to sell the photography, and when asked Mannion to cease the sale of all images, Mannion pretty much demanded millions of dollars. Now, due to both parties' inability to agree, the case will go to trial on July, coming up in the summer of 2022. Now, Jay-Z's going on to say he never gave Mannion permission to resell any of the images. Now, a representative for the mogul for Jay-Z argued in court, nor did Jay-Z authorize Mannion to use his name, likeness, identity, or persona for any purpose. Now, again, Mannion, he has taken photos of a lot of other people, including Aaliyah, Ja Rule, Nas, ASAP, Rocky, and pretty much they're saying, he is one of the greatest hip-hop photographers ever. And possibly, we ended one of the, I forget his name right now. We interviewed one of the brothers, man. Real good dude, right? Now, the relationship between Jay-Z and Mannion was cordial before the lawsuit. Mannion was, hired. He was actually hired to shoot the cover art for Reasonable Doubt. So he has done business with Jay-Z in the past, and I guess Jay-Z really didn't like him, making money off of, his, sales and whatnot. That's his photo. He feels like that it should be, his right, whether he wants anybody to make money off of it. Now, again, you have fair use, you have copyright laws, you have a lot of other things that's going to come into contention here. I'm really interested to see how this thing is going to be ruled, because on one end I could see Jay-Z, and a lot of people have been successful suing people because of that. But then on the other hand, Mannion might come in and say, look, man, I was hired for this event, I took the photo technically belongs to me. So it's going to come down to some legal jargon like that. And I'm thinking that millions are on the line, because if you can't settle, either Jay-Z is really, really not trying to pay anything, or I don't know what's going on, but they can't come to some type of agreement, some type of a settlement. Not saying who had to pay him, but whatever the agreement, whatever the settlement is, for whatever reason. And then you got to look at how much did this dude make. Maybe they had a way to track to see, all right, this dude made $5 million off of it. So for you or me, it might seem like something petty, but we don't know the mitigating circumstances behind why Jay-Z is going so far with this. Like I said, man, this dude has been around a lot of people, man. You can look at his Instagram, his Twitter, a lot of people. And with that being said, man, it's your brother Ogot, man, Hip Hop News Uncensored. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, and make sure you guys subscribe to Hip Hop News Uncensored for more exclusive just like this one. Peace.